What is up, my keyboard warriors? This is CallMeCoran here, and today we are playing Left 4 Dead 2. Basically this game is like a, from what I've gathered of it, I've only played this versus, but I'm playing campaign, and I think it's cooperative, but I don't know if it's like you can get single player. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go for single player actually, but. This is going to be a full playthrough. This isn't Minecraft. I know it isn't. Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. This is a mod. This is called Left 4 Dead 2 mod. I'm kidding. Please don't search. Actually, no, search that. But, without further ado, I'm going to start playing. I'm going to play on difficulty easy because I'm such a pussy at these games. Character, I would want to be, I want to be Ellis. He looks like a badass. Chapter 1, hotel, campaign. Oh wow, looks like we've got a lot to do. I'm going to go for Dead Center campaign, and yeah, let's go. Okay, thank you guys for watching this as well this far. I will go quiet a few times on this game. I'm quite a quiet gamer. That's why I tend to not actually even touch upon showing myself build on my Minecraft series, which if you don't know about, you should totally go and check that out. I'm blabbering to myself until this loads, but I'm actually scared of the dark already, I'm not going to lie. I'm actually looking behind me right now because I get really paranoid and I get scared. I'm not going to lie. But, we're starting the game and let's go.
Hey! Come back! Come back! Oh, he ain't coming back.
That chopper looks like it's heading to the evac center at the mall.
Gotta agree. Let's follow them to the mall. I'm not a violent man.
On a crowbar.
But I ain't stupid neither.
No, on a crowbar.
I got myself an axe.
Oh my god, I'm beginning. I love this character already. Yeah, with 2 pistols. How hard your mama now? Okay, so I'm hoping you can hear me, and I'm gonna go quickly check the audio. So I'll be right back. Okay, so we seem to be in the clear. I'm gonna turn my headphones down before like I get scared, and looks like we're gonna go down here because there's no other way around, and my teammates are clearly fucking stupid. So oh, okay. Oh my god!
I don't know about you, but I'm killing these things.
Oh, okay, Nick. Ah, no! Naughty! Double-handed! I want you.
Man,
Hi!
Reloading.
I have got subtitles on.
Hey, I'm reloading.
And sometimes I'll just giggle to myself, so, your pistols have
Reloading.
unlimited ammo. No! Oh, shit!
I got you. Just
Help!
relax.
Help me! Come on, dude. You are my new favorite. Whoa! Ow! Burning shit.
Somebody's gonna kill that zombie spitting shit.
Wow, he make big boom. No. Come on! Ha!
This map. We need to get to New Orleans fast.
You! Dead.
Reloading.
I'm liking this. I don't want a crowbar. I've never liked melee weapons in games like this.
Reloading!
Okay, I don't think I can get through this. Let's go this way. No. Sorry to disturb you in your vacation and while you're having a bath, but yeah, you're not coming back. Ooh, an iron. They've been doing the ironing. That's like looting room. Let's see how they're designed. Okay, we can't get into that room. Whoa, shit!
Alright, I'm not walking through that.
Oh no! Oh no, get out of here, get out of here. Get out of here, get out of here. Get out of here. No.
We might need these.
You took my pills? Oh my god! Jesus Christ, what was that? Oh, how was it? I have played this game before, don't worry guys. I do know somewhat. Whee!
Reload.
I think I need to turn the captions down a bit.
Reload.
Yeah, I rape at this game. No. Off the toilet. Naughty. Okay. Oh, hi.
I'm a reload.
Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna actually no. You can come into the options menu with me. Audio, and I think this can just go onto subtitles only. Let me out.
Reloading. Reloading.
That's probably why I don't want to play online. I don't want to get my head torn off by like throws.
Reloading.
Get out of here.
Yeah, somebody's gonna need these.
Yeah, I'm gonna need these.
Reload.
Come on, I think we've pissed off a few people. We're gonna get out of here. I ain't opening that. Okay, clearly I am.
Hey, I'm reloading. Gotta reload.
This is pretty cool. I like this game. Oh, cheer. No! Man, you wearing a tank top. You look gay. Okay, that was easy. Ow, 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 ow.
This burning shit.
Naughty. Your fault. Yeah, I'm talking to you.
Reloading.
Reloading.
I'm a reload.
See, I've got full ammo. I don't care. Oh my god, ow, I'm on fire, I'm on fire. Guys, I don't like being on fire. I'm getting out of here. When in doubt, find another way out. That's Borderlands, isn't it?
Reloading.
Watch them all drop.
Hey, watch out for the ones in a hazmat
Ready to
suit.
shot.
In a what suit? You're a badass!
Reloading.
I like you. You're my new favourite.
Hey, out on the ledge.
Get chainsaw. Okay! Yes! Come here, baby! Will you like me? Will you like this? You will like this, don't worry. Oh, nigga, nigga, nigga. Oh, nigga, nigga, nigga. Oh, nigga, 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 nigga. Oh, okay, you can take him, you can take him. I'm getting away from that. Free sixes with my chainsaw! Chainsaw! Ah! You see how good I did there?
Reloading.
Good. Take it, we're going this way. Oh shit! Come out.
Thank the Lord this was still working.
Reload.
This is loud!
People just call
Hang on a minute.
My name's Rochelle. You?
Well, my name's Ellis, but some people call me Elle. But I really prefer Ellis because L kind of sounds like a girl's name. But if you prefer to call me Elle, I guess you can.
Pretty cool. Oh, I can see both my hands. Oh my god, my hair's so weird.
Thanks.
No! Oh shit. This is your fault! You looked at me, and it's your fault! Time to go run, nigger, on these bitches!
Y'all get ready now.
Go, nigger! Run, nigger, I ain't got my chainsaw anymore, have I?
Here's a bottle. Here comes some puke.
Yeah, I got puke! This is really smoky, I do not like this.
I'm a reload. Weapons over here.
Okay, well, I want that.
Down here.
Man, a jar is no place.
Chainsaw, okay, I'm using chainsaw as a secondary weapon. Don't care what you
Hey,
say.
some guns here.
Okay, I'm most damaged, so I'll heal myself. Just to be a bit of a knob. Okay, and I'll take that, and let's go. Let's go! We're gonna suffocate. Stop, dropping, roll, stairs. Close it as you can to the door. No, jockey! Ah, I played about an hour and a half on this game, so I know some of the names.
Just wait out.
can't see naff all. You're on fire. You're a hunter. Night of the hunter. I'm gonna die. I don't wanna die. No! Leave my drinking. Run, nigga, nigga. Come on, next. Who wants a bit of this? No, okay, have a pipe bomb. Ha! Get out of here.
We gotta get around this fire.
I know, I'm dying from the smoke. Cough, cough. No! Oh, shit. Oh. Sorry, I wanted to keep you alive. Die, 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 die. Time to raise hell. Oh, what? What? Give me a chainsaw and I'll be your best friend for life. Oh, shit. Okay, time to do 360s. 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 Pretty funny.
Grabbing a bile jar.
So my guy sounds like kind of a hillbilly. Or just yay. Okay, so I take this as a checkpoint. Okay. Okay.
That's how it's done, right?
Yeah! Woo! Am I the only one clapping? Okay. Sorry. Okay, right. Check my phone. Okay. Is it crashed? No, it hasn't crashed. That's still going around. Woo! I like this game. I like this game. I like it a lot. Whoa. Hey.
Ooh, I know a gun store we can stop at along the way. Get ourselves some real weapons.
I guess living here is finally paying off.
Mister, I don't think I like your attitude.
Whatever.
No. 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 I don't like your attitude. He looks so tall. He's so intimidating. Don't like him either. I will chainsaw you in half. Okay, I kind of just wanted to waste that out, to be honest. And let's go. Hey ho, let's go. No, no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Okay, gas canister. No, no, no.
Reloading.
Get out of here.
Let's go find that mall.
Reloading.
Are you too drunk? I'm sorry. Sorry for killing you. I'm sorry for killing you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I really do want to keep you all alive, but
Hey, I'm reloading.
I think myself comes before you.
Reloading.
Plus the fact that you can't feel pain is probably a good thing. Die.
Fireman.
Reloading.
Oh, hello. Da 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 da. Hey, you guys are getting easy. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Get off me! Get off me, you fat fuck! No! You! No! No!
Reloading.
I don't think this is gonna make me too scared.
Reloading.
In here.
No.
Reloading.
Reloading.
Oh shit. Ow, ow. No, 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 no! Tank, tank, tank! Tank, 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 tank! No! No, I'm down! I'm down! I'm down! I'm down! No, you don't! Get out! Get out! Fight to the death! Hey! How you doing?
Torn up.
Told you. Wasn't nothing.
I owe
Thanks,
you
dude.
one. Hey, can y'all cover me? I gotta heal.
Yeah, I'm healing. I'm healing real good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Down here.
I'm not gonna make a comment on what he just did. I'd rather have a Molotov, to be honest.
Pills here.
I can always use these.
Okay, thanks. Take my pills. It's fine. It's a dark room. Oh my god! I'm back in there! No siree! Get that door closed! Fuck no! God damn it, no! Hell no! No, no, no! Hell no, 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 no! No! Take that.
Grabbing a bile jar.
Get out of here.
That mall is just up ahead.
That boy is just up ahead. I like his attitude, he's funny. I wonder if you can sprint this, can he? Button to sprint. No.
I'm a reload.
Reloading.
Samurai sword! Come here! I can swing my sword, my diamond sword, even if I don't know the Irish song. I can swing my sword, my diamond sword, even if you cannot afford my diamond sword, even if you could I have a patriot, no one can make a sword. Exactly with this mana, welcome to my mana, I can. I like my sword. When I am rocking ball, hi. Have you met my friend? I've got a sword. Do you like my sword? I love my sword. You like it? You like my sword? But you, who's next? You dead. You dead. You dead. You dead.
Reloading.
No.
Reloading.
I love it. Come here.
Uh-oh, I hear one of those jockey. Oh yeah.
Get the I hate confined spaces. I hate them so much.
Bomb here.
Oh shit, fat guy. Shh. How do I turn the light off?
Reloading.
Right, okay, how do I turn my light off? That, okay, keys and buttons, how do I turn light off? No, duck. No. No. F is flashlight, okay, thank you. Why are you crying, young missy? Do you like Doritos? I like Doritos. Don't like Doritos? I like Doritos. I like Doritos. Ow! Bitch! Oh no! Oh no! Hell no! Get out of the fucking hell of it! Get away! Get away from me! Get away from me! Someone told us she isn't pretty.
Yo, is that
Mine. Yeah, that's mine.